Where'd the bearing go? Oh. I don't know where it went. Down in the cam area. Ugh. I'll have to find it. Oh, the bearing's right here. It didn't go anywhere. See? Hello everybody, Carl L1 Engines. I want to have a video today about a rebuild. This video is going to be everything I look at when a motor comes back for a refresh. What I do is get the build sheet out. Thankfully, you know, if it's built by me, it'll have a build sheet, and if it's from somebody else for an inspection, a lot of times there's a build sheet. And I got the build sheet here. What it is, it's a blower motor that's been run for numerous years. They figure it's time for a rebuild. It may be a little bit of a blow-by. Nothing other than that. They don't have any sounds from it, so it's going to get looked at for any parts that need to be replaced and parts that don't need to be replaced, and then report back to the owner. So it's a Cola Crank 383 with Comstar rods, LE2 heads, LE cam. It made 490 horsepower all natural on the dyno, even though it's 9-to-1 compression ratio. So let's get started. All right. I inspect the flex plate here for cracks. No cracks. Nice flex plate. I look for a rear main seal leakage, oil pan leakage. Just for reference, it's a little bit of a leak down here. It's a film of oil, so there's been a leak here, probably at the gasket. That happens. I'll take these plugs out while I'm at it back here. Now let's work on the front of the motor, but I'm going to catch water. Just in case. There we go. Good looking water. A good looking coolant. Good looking coolant, unless they had just done it. But anyway, if the coolant looks dirty, there could be something wrong with the engine. Use a shop vac for stuff like this. Leaks here. This is a really good idea to seal this up like Sean did, so water doesn't get in there. Really good idea. Whoa! Alright, check this out. Look, the pin fell out, which is fine, but sometimes if it's not in there, then was it riding the right timing? You just never know. So it was in here. Oh yeah, it would have been riding right in there. No evidence of being in the wrong spot. It just kind of came out with this. So let's look in there. Looks really good. I don't see a thing standing out right now. This throttle body looks to be in excellent shape. All right, taking the intake manifold off. This is where I do it, right here. Got it. Okay. He kept it clean with lots of oil changes. He did a good job. Runners are good. So there was no valve seal leaks or vacuum leaks sucking oil in. Looking good. I look in here in general to see if there's lots of oil. And this looks good to me. And if there's signs of gasket leaks, which looks good to me, that there were none. See how we're almost already out. Okay, let's check the hub for signs of any kind of weirdness. Nothing. Like on the outside, if it was cavitating or let's say walking, there'd be pits. So this actually looks good. It looks really good. All right, this was Carl L1 Engines. Take care.